Good morning, students. How are you? Hope you are fit and fine at your homes. I am your computer teacher, Miss Madhuri from California Public School. So, class 5th, in the previous video, we have started our chapter that is Evolution of Computer, our lesson number 1st. So, in that chapter, we have studied about different devices that were used before inventions of computers. So today date is 5 June 2020 and we are going to start our next or last topic, that is characteristics of computer. So in this topic we will study about which things computer is capable to do. So a computer system is better than human beings as it possesses the following capabilities. So computer system is better than human beings, so it is capable to do these tasks that we are going to discuss. So first one, characteristic of computer, that is feature of computer, is speed. As we know that computers perform our task in a very fast speed. So speed is the amount of time taken by the computer in completing the task. A computer works very fast and can do large number of calculations quickly as compared to a human being. So computers are classified on the basis of instructions that they execute per second. So as we all know that computers work very fast and it can perform long or large number of calculations within a few seconds. So its speed is very fast. So this is the main characteristics of computer. So the next one characteristic of computer is accuracy. So accuracy refers to the degree of perfection of operation performed by a computer. Here degree of perfection means how perfectly computer is capable to perform task. So computers do not commit errors and are capable of handling complex instructions accurately. So कंप्यूटर जो हमारा कंप्यूटर है वो कभी भी एरर क्रिएट नहीं करता एंड इट इज़ कैपेबल टू हैंडल कॉम्प्लेक्स मीन्स टफ इंस्ट्रक्शंस एक्यूरेटली. सो इफ़ द डेटा फेड इनटू अ कंप्यूटर इज़ रॉन्ग, अगर हम कंप्यूटर में रॉन्ग डेटा एंटर कर रहे हैं, वी आर एंटरिंग रॉन्ग इन्फॉर्मेशन, सो इट मे प्रोड्यूस एन inaccurate result. Because why it will produce inaccurate result? Because we also inputting data wrong, so that's why it will also give inaccurate result to us. So the next characteristic of computer is reliability. So reliability refers to the quality of a computer system to perform consistently well and complete its allotted duties on time without experiencing any system failure. So in case of any failure in a computer system, there is a provision for immediate backup of information and program. As computer provide us quality of information, and if our system is not working properly, then there is a facility we can take backup of information. अगर हमारा डेटा लॉस्ट भी हो जाता है, जब कुछ गायब हो जाता है हमारा डेटा, तो हम क्या कर सकते हैं, उसका बैकअप भी ले सकते हैं, वो डेटा हमें वापस भी मिल जाता है. सो दिस इज़ द कैपेबिलिटी ऑफ कंप्यूटर. सो द नेक्स्ट वन कैपेबिलिटी ऑफ द कंप्यूटर और फीचर वी कैन से इज़ वर्सेटैलिटी. So a computer can perform a variety of tasks, different types of tasks a computer is able to perform. So therefore it can be used in almost all fields such as education, science and technology, business, finance, accounts, communications, etc. So as we can see, nowadays computers are used in all areas of the world. So whether it is education area, whether it is any business, any finance business, or any account, or any communication area. So the next one is storage. Storage is the capacity of computer to store data. So a computer can store large amount of data which can be used anytime. Any amount of data we can store in it. So you can store data into a computer through various external and internal devices such as hard disk, CD, DVDs, pen drive, RAM, that is random access memory, ROM, that is read only memory. So a hard disk can store the maximum amount of data among these devices. So from these devices, which device is capable to handle or store in large quantity of data? That is your hard disk. So a hard disk, so the maximum amount of data that can be stored depends on the device chosen by the user. So it will depend on the user that how much amount of data a user want to store. So according to that, any user can choose any one of the storage device like hard disk, CD, DVD according to their requirement. So the next one feature, or we can say characteristic of computer, is diligence. As computers are non-respondent to human factors like fatigue, tiredness or boredom, so it can work repeatedly and efficiently for long hours without taking rest. हमें भी पता है कि कंप्यूटर कभी भी रेस्ट नहीं लेता, हम जितना मर्जी काम उससे क्या है परफॉर्म करवा सकते हैं. बट ह्यूमन बीइंग after doing some work it may be feel tiredness or boredom, but computer never feel like this. So this is the capability of computer, that is diligence. So the next one or last characteristic of computer is multitasking. As the name suggests, a computer is capable to perform multiple tasks at the same time. For example, one can enjoy listening to music while typing in MS Word. जब हम टाइप कर रहे हैं कुछ भी MS Word पे, then at the same time we can also listen to music or while working on any other package. So the next one or last one topic is limitations of computers. Means computer में कुछ कमियां भी हैं that we are going to discuss now. So incapability to think. A computer cannot think and take decision on its own. अपने आप कंप्यूटर कोई भी डिसीजन नहीं ले सकता. In case of any error, it cannot take alternative action. अगर कोई एरर भी आती है तो अपने आप वो कोई भी एक्शन परफॉर्म नहीं कर सकते. वी हैव टू गिव सम इंस्ट्रक्शंस टू द कंप्यूटर एंड अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट इंस्ट्रक्शंस कंप्यूटर विल परफॉर्म अवर टास्क. सो incapability to think, computer is incapable to think. So next one limitation of computer is no intelligence. Unlike human beings, a computer has no IQ. जैसे ह्यूमन बीइंग के पास क्या है IQ होता है, कंप्यूटर के पास अपना कोई IQ नहीं है. इट नीड्स इंस्ट्रक्शंस एट एवरी स्टेप. सो वी हैव टू give some instructions to the computer. So on according to that instructions computer will perform our task. And the last one limitation of computer is dependence on power. Here power means electricity. As a computer is an electronic machine, thus it depends on power, makes it costly. So without electricity computer can't work. So these three are the limitations of computers. Your chapter is over now. You have to read lesson number first carefully. So take care students. Have a wonderful day.